Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a video on CodeCombat. And before we get into the video, if you don't know what CodeCombat is a platform where you can actually do gaming levels, or you do levels, right? And it's technically a game, and you have a character and you learn about different lines of code, or you learn about coding for a certain coding language. Okay, so for example, for CodeCombat we do Python, and that's one of the coding languages out there, and we learn Python through this actual platform right here, and it is an actual game, and you can actually learn coding while playing the game. So now let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and let's get into it. So the next level, or the level we're going to do, is Woodland Cleaver. Now Woodland Cleaver, right, you unlock a weapon right here. The sword that he's holding, that weapon actually gives you a different line of code, or a new line of code that you're able to do that you probably wasn't able to do before. So you unlock different weapons for you to do it. Now right now we had to fend off the ogres, and you have to use a cleave method. And the cleave method is only ready if you have, or technically the cleave method is only a special attack. So it's not always prepared or ready. You actually have to have a program or actual line of code that shows if the actual cleave is ready, then attack, So for this one, they already have enemy equals hero dot find nearest enemy. So they have if hero dot is ready cleave, right? Then we put in under it, we put in hero dot cleave, and then we want to put in, or it automatically put in enemy for me, but if it doesn't, you want to type in enemy. So after this, they say pass. So then if the actual special weapon is ready, then it's going to actually do the special weapon. But if it's not ready and you already used it, then you go to your normal attack and you just type in hero.attack, and that's just the normal function that the hero has that you do when you have enemies. So in this, we're just going to put parentheses, and then we're going to type in enemy. Now you don't actually have to, now in some levels you actually put in the enemy's name. But in this level, since we're higher up, we have learned about categories, and we learned that you can actually put in and you could type in enemy, and you could put in this function right here and put in hero dot find nearest enemy. And when you type in enemy, that this actually going to execute this right here. So when you type in enemy, whatever person or whatever bad guy is near him, he's going to attack when you have this function, or the name of the function, in it right here. So as we're going to do, we're going to run it and see if we do it, if we pass. So you see right there, that's a cleave. That's the special weapon that he used, because in the line of code, if the actual cleave special weapon actually was ready, then it actually activates it. See? And that's how you would do this. Now before I leave, hope this was actually helpful, that you understand how to do the cleave function and understand what the cleave function is, and you understand about Python line of code. But before I go, make sure you help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can do a giveaway for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.